Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create FTP account in Cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, log in into your Cpanel and scroll down and then click on FTP Accounts. And here is the option to create FTP account. So login, here you have to put your login username, so I'm giving here, and click on this drop down, and from here you can select your domain. So I'm selecting my main domain, and now here you have to give a password. So I'm going to generate a password and copy this, use password, and the directory. If you want to give access to all the files, then you have to remove this directory, and you can select the size. So I'm going to give unlimited, and after that click on create FTP account. And here you can see account created, and inside of this FTP accounts option, here you can see my new FTP account are showing up here. If you click on configure FTP client, here you will be able to see FTP username, FTP server, and FTP port. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.